Now, paano ba mag-join? Okay? So, all you have to do is i-click mo yung link na makikita mo sa description box or i-click mo yung link na makikita mo sa comment section nakapin. So, once na-click mo yan is mapupunta ka sa page na to. Okay? So, all you have to do is click the join the business. Tapos, syempre, ilagay mo lahat ng details mo dyan. Okay? So, lahat ng details. Tapos, yung email. So, sa email dito, guys, dapat required talaga yung email na active mo ginagamit. Okay? O ulitin ko, dapat active mong ginagamit. So, in my case, let's say, okay? Tapos, siguraduhin mo na ako mag-refer sa'yo para mag-guide kita for that training. Okay? Then, all you have to do is click mo yung create account. Tapos, ayan, meron ka ng username at password. So, sisiguraduhin mo, i-check mo yan, yung password na binigay sa'yo, okay, sa Gmail mo na sinend. So, click natin yung sign in. So, ayan, lagay natin yung email address na ginagamit natin. Pagkatapos, yung password makikita natin dito sa email. So, ayan, nakalagay, okay? So, ito is temporary password lamang. Okay, click mo yung copy, tapos punta ka na dito, tapos lagay mo na yung password, then click sign in. So, ayan guys. So, welcome sa Elevate Well. Okay, so click mo lang yung get started, then lagay mo yung password na gusto mo. Okay, na i-change mo ng password or pwede mo lang skip for now. So, by this example, skip for now lang muna. Tapos, lagay mo lahat ng details, okay? Especially yung number mo dito, okay? So, by this example, okay? Tapos, syempre, kung yung birth mo, okay? Example, 2027, 2033, 2035, di ba? So, let's say, year 2000 ka, okay? Na pinanganak, tapos January, tapos let's say today, okay? Ayan, tapos submit mo lang yung complete. So, nakaregister na yung mobile natin. So, lagay natin 7. So, ayan, okay? So, now, what's next? Ano yung gagawin mo kasi meron ka ng account? All you have to do is click mo na yung package. Tapos, pipiliin natin yung starter package na 1998. So, click mo lang yung buy package. Tapos, payment method. So, anong payment method na gagamitin natin? So, in our case, it's either QRPH or credit or debit card. So, halimbawa, QRPH napili natin. Okay, tapos lagay mo na dyan yung address mo, yung exact address mo. Okay, click mo lang add new address. So, lagay mo dyan. Tapos, syempre, yung number mo. Tapos, yung house address mo. For example lang ito ah. Tapos, province, let's say sa atin is Negros Occidental. Tapos, let's say Bacolod City. Tapos, yung zip code mo. Then, click mo na yung save address. Okay? So, ayan. May address ka na. So, magbabayad na tayo. So, click lang natin yung place order. So, ayan. Meron siyang binigay na QR code. So, dito pwede ka makabayad through banking app na scan mo siya, Maya, or GCash. Okay? So, what if wala naman? Okay? So, ito pwede tayong gumamit ng credit or debit card. Okay? So, let's say meron kang credit card or debit card. So, same lang. Delivery to address, tapos place to order. So dito naman, ilalagay na natin yung details ng card natin tapos click lang natin yung pay 1998. So, yan lang kasimple mag-sign up dito sa Elevate Well. At kung meron kang mga katanungan, all you have to do is i-message mo ako sa Facebook. Okay?